Welcome back, friends, to TV5 News at 9. It's another edition of Ask the County. Joining us this morning, Saginaw County Treasurer Tim Novak. Good morning.
Good
How
morning.
are you? I know you're beautiful because the outside is gorgeous,
amazing
right?
Outside today, it's gorgeous.
You couldn't ask for better weather, that's for sure. Thank you for joining us today, Tim. We are talking about Mental Health Awareness Month, and today we're going to talk all about some of the resources that are available to people who may be struggling. So for those who don't know, Saginaw County has an agency that's focused on mental health issues. Tell us what that is.
Yeah, the Saginaw County Community Mental Health Agency is the kind of the source.
Okay.
It's a public agency, and they kind of rope they have services available there, and they have staff there, and they also are kind of the coordinator for all the services that are available in the county, so that when folks are, in need of services or want to find out if they even need them, that they can contact them.
So tell us about some of those services that are available. There's some for adults and kids as well.
Yeah, so things for adults, you'd think like, mental health type issues, where you have individual plans for service.
Okay.
Maybe how you coordinate with other agencies and the services you may need. Psychiatric evaluation. And then for kids, you're thinking about like home-based programs, therapy for their children, case management, working with schools and healthcare, kind of find out what's best for each individual patient.
It seems like if there's a need, there's something that you have available. There is a resource that they
Absolutely.
can find out
I mean,
about.
the community is just a wealth of resources
Right.
available in our community. We're blessed to have just such a wonderful healthcare system.
Right.
And mental health should be treated just like our physical health. It's something super important, and that's why they celebrate the awareness in May.
So Tim, tell us, if someone wants any of these services, what's the first step?
So the very first step they should do, they should either come to the agency at 500 Hancock, which is in Old Town Saginaw, or they can call, and that's kind of your first step. You'll have an access staff will walk you through an interview to kind of talk about why you're there, where you live, why do you think you need help, and then from there, then that's where they start the process of kind of finding out, what services would be best for you.
Now, is there some type of information that people need to have on them, or they should know when they make that first call? What do they need to have?
So they're certainly going to want to have medical insurance information, including Medicaid, Social Security number, names of any current doctors or medication you may be on, if it's special education plan, if we're talking about students, if you have any education information, or guardianship or court papers. So kind of any of that's kind of those things that would be helpful to an advocate trying to access help for you.
Sometimes people have, Tim, mental health emergencies. Is there any type of crisis intervention, like some services that are available for residents?
So there's a 24/7 hotline, 7 days a week.
Okay.
If you really want access to the service, you can go to Covenant Emergency Room if it's something that they have mental health services available at Covenant, and you can see that the phone number's on the screen there if you want to call. And if it's life-threatening and you really feel that there's an issue, always call 911. The operators at the 911 agency are available to help, guide you with any help you may need as well.
That's good to remember. If you don't know those numbers, you don't have those written down, make sure you just call 911. Don't hesitate. There's help available.
Yep.
Definitely.
So 911's the emergency number. You can always call 211's the
211.
non-emergency number. The call's free.
Okay.
So even if you just find out that maybe I don't need help, maybe I just need to talk to somebody that's kind of in the know. Just please just know that there's help out there. Make that phone call.
Anything else you want people to know, Tim, as we're in Mental Health Awareness Month? I just think it's so important that people don't wait, or if you see someone, a friend or family member that's in crisis or needs some help, please get some help.
Yeah, and I think it's just important to look out for each other.
Yes.
Make that phone call. Maybe somebody lost a loved one. And to check in on those folks. There's always that support network right away.
Right.
But what about a few weeks or a month down the road? Do they need help? Do they need counseling? Maybe they just need to go out and have coffee with you or something. You just don't ever hesitate to reach out to somebody, or either yourself if you need the help.
Yes.
To reach out and ask. There's folks all over, whether professional or just your friends and family. Don't ever hesitate. It's just not worth it.
That's the best message of the day. Just reach out to your neighbor, your loved one, a friend. We're all in this together.
Absolutely.
Still. Yeah. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.
Appreciate you stopping by. If you have any other questions you'd like to ask the county, just send them to WNEM at WNEM.com.